It's a giant moth!
Okay, can you see the picture on the screen? Does the moth... Okay.
The moth is shown.
Okay, I'm going to try and open him up a little bit. Come here! Can the picture see him open?
Yeah. Yep.
I can't get it closer. There's stuff in the way. Look at him. He is beautiful. He's got a wing underneath this wing. Look at the eye, Nathan. See that eye? He's alright. He's sleeping. Okay. I think we got a good video of the bud.